What we're looking at now is a machine with a fresh new copy of Microsoft Windows 8. I don't even have any development tools installed yet. So I will go to a web browser and search for Web Platform Installer. This will work on Windows 7 also, by the way, if you haven't moved to Windows 8. But when I do that search, I should see a link that I can click on to go to a page where I can download Microsoft's Web Platform Installer. As this button implies, this is a free download. It's a tool that you can just tell it to run, and it will go out and be able to download software products and frameworks and libraries and install them on your computer. It just takes a little bit of time to initialize. But what we're going to look for is Visual Studio 2012 Web Edition. When I install that, it will also install a web server that I can use to host my web application on this machine, and a SQL Server instance that we can use to save data for an application. So now that it is initialized, I can come into the search box that's in the top right here, and I will search for 2012 Web and click Enter. The very first search result here is Visual Studio Express 2012 for Web with Windows Azure SDK. That is the product that I want, so I'll click Add. You can go through and search for other products that you might want to install, but you'll notice if you click on the hyperlink here, this will show you everything it's going to install here. That includes Visual Studio 2012, some Windows Azure tools. It also includes IAS 8 Express and Microsoft SQL Express Local DB Edition. We'll be talking about and using those two tools during this course. And just selecting that one item will give me everything that I need. So I will close this out and go ahead and tell the Web Platform Installer to download everything I need and install this. I'll need to accept some license agreements, and chances are it might need to reboot the machine once or twice, but we'll come back once installation is finished.